have, Annika? You have your donut? Are you happy now?
She's Annika Jekyll.
Yay!
Soon to turn back into Mrs. Hyde. She doesn't have a donut to eat anymore.
Hi, Nicholas. Look at me see your lips. Oh, man. Those white donuts.
I know. Nicholas can't talk. All I can say is...
Okay, last one, Nicholas. You're going to get
Oh my God,
sick.
she just shoved that whole thing in her mouth. No, don't get one for the baby.
No.
No,
Annika,
she already
come
had
here.
2 or 3.
Come here. What are you doing? Come here.
Uh-oh. Mrs. Hyde.
What's the matter, baby?
I'm so sorry, baby. It's so funny. Go see Mommy. See Mommy.
You stinker.
A donut. Another one.
Alright, someone get her a donut and see if it'll stop. All better now? Who's happy?
Oh, man.
Annika, are you happy now?
Yeah.
It's like medication for your Jekyll
Mommy,
and Hydeness.
All right, guys, that's it.
No more.
Those are the last ones. Because we're going to eat that whole bag. And then you guys are going to be sick.
Bye. Say bye.
Say bye-bye. Say
Bye-bye.
bye-bye to Mommy. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.